Dear colleagues, I hope you're doing very well. This is a difficult time for us, for the school, our school, for student, and for our parents. So I'm trying to be helpful. I'm trying to work on a platform, a staff development presentation that will help or assist you with distance learning, assist you with some tools that can help you to continue delivering instruction to your student so you can help the parent. Because we have only 15 minutes limit time, I will go first of all. What I can do is to show you what we have to do today. So the overview is like you're seeing we are facing difficult time. We are facing the COVID-19 difficult time, and I would like to help the teachers like as uh, helping them to assign text videos and such. So we will work on three things. We will work first of all. I will show you what we call clever. I know everyone knows what clever is, but at the same time, I will go deeply with clever. Some application in clever. I selected Edmodo and EasyBridge, but I won't spend a lot of time to Edmodo. So at the end of this presentation, I would like all my colleagues, that's the help I'm doing by myself, and it's just because the vice principal and the principal asked me to do something. So this meeting is to help you navigate through clever application and Pearson is a bridge. I will show you how to upload your classes if mine is not already totally known, and identify classroom assignment tools and use distance learning classroom. Okay. So what we can do is first of all to go to Clever. Clever, how to here. So it's clever.com/in PKCPS, and the presentation will be on this. So let's first go to Clever. So this is the Clever. Clever is a platform where what you can use for your student. So with Clever, you have many applications that the school system purchase for us. You have EasyBridge, that we'll talk about, and then you have Edmodo. You have also, because I'm talking here to the elementary teachers for directly immersion, you have this one also. It's very good, but it's for the science. So in 1 minute or 2 minutes to go to Edmodo to show you what Edmodo is. So Edmodo is here, and let me see. I can go directly to Edmodo from here. You have all the classes I set up for the school. You have first grade, second grade, and so how to get this? You just go to Edmodo, and you go to you use your credential, and you will get everything done. For example, for this class, what you can see is if I click on first grade, the things I need is to code. If I give the code to the student and the parent, they will see exactly, they will enter in this virtual class. If you want to get the link to give to the parent, the link is here, but the code is very important to give to them. Now, for the teachers, what you do, you come to this your class, you click here, and you have assignment. You can do like you're doing, Google Doc. So that was Edmodo. I'm trying. It's very important for me to do Pearson Easy Bridge. So let me go to Pearson Easy Bridge. So Pearson Easy Bridge is here. I'm sorry, I already add all my product, but I will show you how you can add the product to this. So when you go to EasyBridge, when you click, you have to sign in. I can show you how to get there. So let me see. I want to click to Clever. Okay, so Clever here. I want to show you because it's very important. It takes me directly to this, but I was trying first of all to just see how I can do it and show you instead of going directly. Let me take this one first so you can how to type. I go clever.com/pgcps. So I click here. Okay, I'm already logged in, but it will give you a platform where you put your username and password, the one you have in the classroom you use regularly, and then you go to Clever. And from Clever, you have this platform, and this platform is you have EasyBridge, you have Dash, you have Pearson, but here in your case you might have all the blue boxes here. So what you do, you click on one of your classes. For example, we are in 5th grade. This is normally in your platform, it should be blue. When I click on this, it gives me the opportunity to add the books. You see, I didn't add my books. So you have to go through it and select and click on save. When you save, you will have your book here. So anytime you have your book, with your book, you can work with the student. Let's see how we can work with the student. We have is here realize. Realize gives you the book all the books you have. Here your classes, and here if you assign something, you give it the data, and this is your library where you get all the assignment you give the student with the date. You can see mine, and the center. This center it gives you the books you have. So we can. I will show you many things from here. So first of all, let's go to our classes. So if we go to our classes, you have in the class, you have assignment, you have calendar, you have discussion, and you can see your student. First of all, because you assign the book, you can see the student here. The students are here. This is a student for 5th grade. So you have all the students. This is their username, and they will use the password they use for the school. Okay. So this is their student. In this class, I can assign discussion. This is a discussion. I create a discussion. So I can say, for example, COVID-19 and ask here, what do you think? What do you think about the COVID-19? So if you click save, it said save. It says successfully created, but it's not totally created. Now you have to assign it, and assign, you have to put the date here, the due date here. I would like to point out that you have necessary to talk to the student when to talking about discussion, to tell them that they're not supposed to talk to write to each other. They just have to respond to the question. It's very important. So that's the point I would like. Now, let's go to the books because I want to see how I can go to the books and assign the books. Because this is a really big time. Let's go to here. Book. Okay, let's see this book. Okay, so in this case we are on 5 minutes. This case we have the book. I will do only one for one lesson. You have the book. This book we have all the lesson and chapters. I will click on only one chapter so I can show you. From here you have all the topics. You have videos that you can assign to the student. If I click here, they can see the video, but we don't have a time for the video, so I just show you how you assign the video. So here you go to your class. Click here. You see I assigned many things to the student to do. You can see it on your classes. I have 5 minutes, and that's really, really difficult for me. But I was trying to show you as soon as you assign everything, you can have the data. So you have the data here. If I click for this class, if I click here to the data, and that's why we're talking about adaptive tools. It will show you the topic the student they master, the topic they didn't master, and because they didn't master the topic, you can assign this topic to individual student. You see, for example, and this is very important. You don't have to show this video to the parent because they don't have to see their kids, some student things. So this is the mastery, and from there you can work on how you can help each of the students. Also, I was trying to go with you through the tools we have, but it's very difficult now that I can go through the tools because of the time. But here you come to, this is Easy Bridge, right? You come to the center, and when you come to the center, you have the books, but you can have also the tools. Go to the library, you can have all things at the library. Now let's go to the 5th grade book. The 5th grade book, it has the online. See, long time okay. So you have the online, and it shows you the book you can use. It's downloading. You can use this book. You go to next. We have all the pages you can have with this book. If you put search here, you can search for the pages. I'm sorry, it's 15 minutes because this is it's not. Okay, so here I can say that if you need me, you go here. But if you need me, you can have the possibility to send me an email. You can have the possibility to call me, because it's really difficult in 15 minutes to show you all these things together. So from here, you have some books here that you have. Is still the school books, the English, the French books you can use. Is you see here, you have all the books that you have here that you can use. You can also assign from here, but we don't have a time, and I'm really sorry we don't have a time for that. Okay, so we have now 1 minute and something. I can show you that here. Let's go to this class. Okay. So my brothers and my colleague, I'm really doing this for you. You have all the opportunity to assign document, to assign video to the teacher, to the student, and you first for what we went through is that I show you Clever, and I show you Edmundo quickly, and I went through Pearson EasyBridge. With Pearson EasyBridge is the best platform for you to design everything you want for your student. So Pearson EasyBridge is there for you. If you really need me, you have all my information. You can have it here, and I really thank you for listening to this presentation. It's because it's online presentation, it's a virtual presentation. It takes just 15 minutes, and I had to stop. But as I said, you have to go step by step in EasyBridge, and you can assign everything you want. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope that you're doing great. And you can always call me, and we can work on it. Thank you, and have a great day.